Let's continue. Jean then poured the contents of the container through a funnel into a basin as shown below. She noticed that the two metal cubes stayed above the funnel. Don't forget to annotate the keywords. Alright, now, what is the volume of water in the basin? First of all, to understand this question, we need to answer with the keywords. Let's look at the keywords. So solid have definite shape, but liquid do not have definite shape. Therefore, the liquid is able to take the shape of the container, but the solid is not able to. And that's why the liquid is able to flow through the funnel into the basin. Therefore, remember, what is the volume of water that she poured into the container? It's 120 cm cube, right? So the volume of water in the basin now would be 120 cm cube. Next, explain in terms of properties of matter how the metal cubes got separated from the water. Keyword is explain in terms of properties of matter. Remember, so we need to use the part B and part C of the A.B.C method to answer this question over here. Back up with evidence. The cubes have definite shape, but water do not have definite shape. Alright, and confirming the concept, hence water is able to take the shape of the funnel and flow through into the basin, but the metal cubes stayed above the funnel.